Generali Global Assistance Review, my honest user experience with travel insurance services. Travel insurance can feel like an afterthought until something goes wrong. I learned that firsthand when I tested Generali Global Assistance, one of the biggest names in travel protection. Here's my honest review. Most travelers think all insurance policies are the same, but the surprising truth is that coverage details matter more than price. Generali offers 3 main plans: standard, preferred, and premium. I chose the mid-tier option for a 2-week trip to Europe. The purchase process was fast, less than 5 minutes online. My policy covered trip cancellation, lost luggage, and medical emergencies up to 0. During my trip, my luggage was delayed by 2 days. I filed a claim through their online portal, uploaded receipts, and received reimbursement within a week. That responsiveness impressed me. What I liked most was the global hotline. When I had a medical question abroad, the assistance team connected me to an English-speaking doctor within an hour, no extra cost. However, like most insurers, you need to read the fine print carefully. Some adventure sports and pre-existing conditions require extra coverage. Overall, Generali Global Assistance delivers peace of mind with fast claims, great communication, and flexible coverage options. It's not the cheapest, but when you're thousands of miles from home, that reliability is priceless.